Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here today, and I'm going to show you how to change the clutch switch in a Volvo V50. Okay, this also works for a Ford Focus and other variants of this car. So first of all, we're going to plug it in and make sure it definitely is that sensor. Now, whilst this is rolling, I'll just say some important information. It is absolutely important that you do get this changed as soon as possible, because your car will enter limp mode and then you'll block your DPF filter, which obviously was the case in this as well. So a quick blowout of 45 minutes afterwards and all codes are clear. Also, you're just going to need a Torx bit on a screwdriver, and this is what the code looks like. To remove two Torx screws initially, which are just situated underneath here. And then once that's done, you're going to pull it down ever so slightly from this position, but not too much. And then you're going to undo this electrical connector, which is by the pedals. It's a light switch. You're then going to remove this screw here, which is the third and final screw, and it's just situated by the light switch. For the uncomfortable bit, you're going to lay where the yellow is, and you're going to look up by the red arrow, okay? And you're just going to turn this sensor out. This is what it looks like. You're going to remove that connector, you're going to turn it anti-clockwise 90 degrees, and it just pulls out. Here's what they look like once they're out. Okay, as you can see, I'll need to change it, and this is how you put them back in. This time you're going to turn it clockwise, and you're going to have the electrical connector pointing down. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe. If you need anything, just pop it in the comments and I'll be happy to help.